not even one. Jesus, He knows all about every one of your struggles.
We ring the bell for our elderly, those who suffer and continue to try and come home. We ring the bell for our young people, for the young who cry every time there's a hard thunderstorm because they're afraid that another storm is coming. We ring the bell for the unborn kids who will be here in the future and will be part of this great city.
About that. Don't overstudy the problem. We know what the problem is. Let's take the opportunity and get it done.
There's a lot of blame that can go for what did not happen, but it seems that this memorial, blame is not as important than what we leave here committed to.
Then we can, in this country, pool ourselves together and see this great city come back and rebuild like it ought to be.